Once we've established that our power sources are secure and everything is locked out and we're safe to go ahead with it, we're going to start to do some work on the unit. We've already done is taken the top off and opened up the unit and exposed the unit already to show you sort of what's going on. I'm going to sort of walk through it quickly of what my process would be to keep it in sort of the same process for you as well. So after the unit is secured, we want to start by first draining the oil out of the compressor. It takes a little bit of time to do that, so I've set up some buckets and I have some hoses set up where I actually start to open my valve and I let the oil start to drain out. First step before we do that is to make sure we open up the sump and relieve sump pressure and remove the fill valve cap, so we know that there's no pressure stored in the vessel. Cap is open, we start to drain oil out of the unit. As the oil is draining out of the unit, this is going to give us time to go after and look at change our other filters. We have 3 other filters on this unit. We have an air filter, we have an oil filter, and we have an air oil separator. Those 3 units all have to be changed. When you buy from Chicago Pneumatic your maintenance kit, it's going to come with these things in your kit. So you know what you have to change. It's going to come with new oil and all the filters ready to go. So we use a strap wrench a lot of times to remove these filters because they're on there pretty tight. There's a lot of pressure behind them. Once we get the strap wrench out, we loosen those all up and pull them out of the unit. And as the oil's all drained out of the unit, and a 1/4 turn spin on the cap to pull the air filter out. We're going to reinstall the air filter, new filter element. Then we got to start to put back our filters. We're going to make sure that the housings are all clean, everything is all cleaned up in nice orderly fashion. Reinstall our filters. When the filters are reinstalled, then we're going to bring our oil level in through the fill cap and fill our oil level back up in the unit. We're going to bring it up so we're right above the top, right to the top of the sight glass, so you could just barely see the edge, so it's just a touch over. Remember, with the oil levels on rotary screw compressors, they're checked when the unit is off. But after it sits for a while and you drain everything out, that's why we want to bring the level up a little bit higher with it.